5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. The prosecution case is that firstly the accused took away the deceased from the court, committed sodomy with the deceased, and thereafter he murdered the deceased and threw his dead body into the well so as to cause the evidence of murder disappear. Stop. Thus, there are two offences, the commission of sodomy and the commission of murder. Stop. Now, it has to be seen whether the commission of sodomy and murder form part of one transaction. Stop. Having scanned the entire evidence and material on record, we do not find either direct or circumstantial evidence so as to draw any inference that the murder was also committed by the appellant. Stop. The cause of death has been indicated as by shock due to spinal cord injury. Stop. As regards the injuries found on the persons of deceased, though the same were antemortem in nature, the doctor who conducted autopsy has deposed that such injuries could be the result of fall into the well. Stop. It is true that the hands of deceased were found tied at the back with pajama. Stop. From the evidence on record, the only fact that stands proved is that the said belonged to PW8 Dharamveer. Stop. However, there is no evidence to suggest as to how it came in possession of the appellant, and the appellant tied the hands of the deceased with that pajama. Stop. The inference of sodomy was has been drawn by us as against the appellant in view of the fact that he has found to be in the company of deceased and others at the farm on the fateful night, coupled with the medical evidence discussed above. Stop. In these circumstances, it is difficult for us to guess in what manner and in what circumstances the deceased may have been murdered and then thrown or drowned after the incident of sodomy may have taken place. Stop. There may be possibility of a different incident having taken place resulting in death of the deceased. Stop. The mere fact that dead body was found floating on the water in a well is not a circumstances which may lead to irresistible inference that the appellant and none else was responsible for drawing off the deceased. Stop. The dead body having found in a well does not appear to be a direct or indirect result of the incident of sodomy. Stop. It cannot be said that it is a circumstance which is wholly incompatible with the innocence of the accused appellant so far as the charges under section 302 and 201 IPC are concerned. Stop. The finding of the trial court as regards conviction of the appellant under section 302 and 201 IPC in our view is based on surmises. Stop. We are unable to hold that commission of sodomy and murder form part of one transaction. Stop.